Hello friends, welcome to my channel FinTech Logics. So today we will talk about an important tool called as MSME Rank, so which is a CIBIL initiative. Now I have created videos on the overall MSME sector definition, the MSME credit products, and about the underwriting. If you have not seen that, please have a look. I'll provide some of the links here. Now, what I have planned is that probably I will publish my videos on every Wednesday and Saturday so that you can also get it in proper time. So now I release videos every 3 days, but I understand that if I make it as per a fixed time pattern, it would be better for tracking for you guys. So I'll make it as per this. So either on Wednesday and on Saturday you will get my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's begin the topic of our discussion. So today we are going to cover about a CIBIL initiative, which is MSME Rank. Now you would see some of these pictorial representation in many websites, even in CIBIL as well. So we are talking about dividing your MSMEs into ranks, right? We'll talk about in details what ranks. From these ranks, it would be very easy for the lenders to actually get the picture of MSMEs health, how they are performing, how their last lending is going on, or their payment behaviors are, etc., etc. So this would be helpful in many cases. So let's see what it is and where it can be used. Now, what categorization we are doing here is that specifically we are looking at MSMEs with credit exposure 10 lakh to 50 crores. Now, one caution that you have to keep in mind is that we are talking about a tool from CIBIL. So if it is new to credit customers, MSMEs, then their data may not be there. So this we are talking about the MSMEs who have an exposure in this segment. So 10 lakhs to 50 crore segment, whoever MSMEs are there, CIBIL can help us get this rank. Okay. Now there are 2,400 members already. So members as in your banks, your financial institutions who would contribute data to CIBIL. At this point of time, your CIBIL reporting is mandatory. That has initially it has been monthly once, but now it's as low as 7 days once your credit data has to be given to CIBIL. So those information is used to create this CIBIL MSME rank. What are the key parameters those are taken for this one? So we take into account liquidity profile. So how much of debt an MSME has, and as per that how the repayments are happening and what is the income pattern of that pattern of the MSMEs. So as per that, a liquidity profile can be created. So this is from you previously also we had parameters like debt to income coverage ratio and all, right? So this is also a similar concept, taking lot more parameters into account to create liquidity profile of the MSMEs. Firmographics information, what FOMO, where they are, what are the kind of business they are doing, where their address is, there an addition or probably a minus in their number of places of operation. All that data is taken into account, and the repayment behavior, which is the loan repayment behavior. So primarily these three sets of data is used to create this. How would the rank look like? So we would do a rank of 1 to 10, which is called as CMR, CIBIL MSME rank 1 to CMR 10. Now if you are telling that okay, your rank is between 1 to 3, so that would mean that they have a solid record of all repayments done in proper time. There has been no NPAs at this point, no past dues, and those are ranked under 1 to 3. If you are talking about 4 to 7, then there has been delinquency, but never there has been a non-performing asset. And if it is above 7, that means 8 to 10, then there can be NPA scenarios as well. Now for this benefits, if we see for lenders, so this tool can be used directly at the time of acquisition. So now the lenders used to get all these data from different sources, and then they used to create their own models to calculate these rank. Instead of that, probably a more standardized approach of CIBIL MSME rank can be used. But over the time we will understand that okay, how the rank is performing. So the next one would be regarding risk appraisal. So this will help in terms of doing a risk based pricing. So as per the risk pattern of the rank of the MSMEs, different kind of pricing can be offered. Your limit setup can be also done without looking at much data and just looking at the CIBIL MSME rank. Now in case of digital lending, which is the third parameter, this can help us in case of paperless or straight through processing data, specifically reducing your lower turnaround time, and this can come handy in case of low ticket loans or low volume, low size loans, to make all the processes straight through processing without the need of operations doing it. The last one would be for your lender risk evaluation, that throughout the loan life cycle, if let's say on a quarterly basis or monthly basis the CIBIL MSME rank can be pulled, then it would be very easier for the lenders to understand the financial well-being of the MSME and take corrective action in case of any such period. Now in the market there are other products who compete with CIBIL MSME rank. So for example, there is one from Equifax, which is Equifax Commercial Credit Information Report, and CRIF also provides a business report. So the USP of CIBIL is the ability to aggregate this data, giving weightage to all these parameters and arriving at one single factor, which is your MSME rank, that can be much efficient in case of quick decisioning, I would say. So that is the USP of CIBIL at this point of time. But other products like Equifax and CRIF are also working for similar products like this. Now how this data can be pulled? So this data can be pulled in form of API integrations or even manually. So for APIs, primary parameters would be your name, your TIN, your Udyog Aadhaar or GSTIN number. So using this information, using an API integration, your rank can be pulled from your CBL data. Definitely there has to be partnership before, and there are also some fees, those are taken by CIBIL for enabling with this feature. Thanks a lot for watching my video, viewers. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot.